Hello there, it's Michael Fish with your weekly forecast on Netweather.tv. Now, some of you will end up with a big shock this Easter weekend with temperatures dropping from 25 degrees to only around 10 and some easterly gales to go with it. So as for the temperature, we start off quite warm, that's yellow, but much cooler air, green, is going to be pulled down across the country by a developing area of low pressure swinging into southern parts on Sunday. Warms up a little bit on Tuesday, that's yellow, but not for long, and even then there'll be a strong easterly wind, so it probably still will feel quite cool, especially near the east coast. And indeed, more general cool air, that's green, will return on Thursday. Looking at the pressure, we start with a trough that's slowly crossing the country and moving out into the North Sea, leaving us in a cold. Low pressure swings in from the west on Sunday and begins to deepen as it drifts south into Biscay and later into Spain. However, with this deepening, we get a strong easterly gradient developing on its top side to give us gales in places on Monday. As the low moves away south, an area of high pressure will come into the UK instead, and then later the low in Biscay moves north again, this time into France, before filling with a further area of low pressure in Biscay, and that means to say we end up yet again in another cold, although that will be replaced by high pressure over Scandinavia and strong easterly winds next weekend. This weekend, Easter Saturday, rather cloudy over Scotland and Northern Ireland, the rain and the Hebrides. Sunny spells over England and Wales, but a few thundery showers for South Wales and Southern England later. Most of England and Wales 20 to 23, but locally 25 in the southeast. Scotland and Northern Ireland 14 or 15. Easter Sunday, even more thundery showers, I think, in southern parts of the country, and some more general rain over Ireland and western Scotland. Northern England and eastern Scotland, the best of the weather, mostly dry with some sunny intervals. Scotland and Northern Ireland 7 to 10, England and Wales 16 to 18, but locally 22 in the southeast. Easter Monday, again some thundery showers, southern England and South Wales, becoming windy too, with some easterly gales picking up, especially along the coast. It will be dry with sunny intervals over Scotland, Northern Ireland, northern parts of England, and some more general sunny spells will develop later on, especially in southern and central parts. As for temperatures, southern and central areas 10 to 13, northern areas in Scotland and Northern Ireland 7 to 9, but only 6 along the east coast. Tuesday, dry with sunny spells, rather cloudy over Scotland and Northern Ireland at first. The winds begin to ease, that means to say there'll be some early frost, 11 to 13 degrees, but only 8 on the east coast. Wednesday, dry with sunny spells, but clouds spreading into southern counties as the day wears on, and near the east coast, the easterly wind picking up again too, 11 to 14 degrees. On Thursday, most places I think dry with sunny intervals, but a few showers will develop over southern parts of England, 13 to 15. Friday will be dry with sunny intervals, 14 to 18, locally 21 in the southeast. Then next weekend, for Saturday, Scotland and Northern Ireland dry with sunny spells. Sunny intervals too in England and Wales, but some showers developing, and that's strong east wind picking up too, making it feel quite chilly. 14 to 17, locally 20 in the southeast. Then on Sunday, it looks like being dry with sunny spells. It's best over Scotland and Northern Ireland. Again, we'll have that strong easterly wind with gales perhaps along the east coast, making those areas feel particularly chilly, and the temperature of 14 to 16. So there we go. Not too good this Easter if you're in the south, because it will be quite windy eventually with some thundery showers. Otherwise, not too bad, but don't forget, you're looking and watching out the window and not enjoying it and not sunbathing. And I'll join you again this time next week. Goodbye for now.